Hi YouTube. So, okay, my last video, my sound was like totally messed up. I have no idea what happened. I downloaded this new webcam program and it took forever for me to upload that video to YouTube, and then my sound didn't work, so that was not cool. Anyway, so I have to be doing my videos on my camera now instead of my webcam, so we'll see how that works out. Hopefully you guys can hear me okay. What else was I going to say? Oh, in my last video I did not share with everyone that I'm having a girl. I'm really excited. That's what I wanted. I already have a boy, so girl and boy, it's like perfect little family. So yeah, that's really cool. I'm 20 weeks in 1 day today, and yeah, I wanted to show everyone my stomach, I guess, because a lot of people do that. So here, let me show you. That's my son's toy, sorry. Okay, so yeah, that's this. Okay, so we have like Spider-Man going on now. God. Okay, so anyway, so yeah, I'm 20 weeks and I'm having a girl, and yeah, I have nothing else to say right now. So that's it.